so fuck Mary. Bread.
Tell me what you need in my time. On my side. Tell me what you need in my pride. Always a few friends get the backseat. You don't need to go that taxi. Didn't take a sip and the blunt went past me. If you need a ride, do you?
I'm in the inner Richmond, which is like our second Chinatown. I actually like it a lot more than the actual Chinatown because there's not tourists here. And I feel like there's more like bigger grocery stores where you can find stuff. The really big one is called Meiwa, and there's also a restaurant supply store that I go to a lot. And then there's a bunch of these like little kind of mom and pop produce vendors, which I also will shop at. Plus, it's like all this food.
To second guess myself, like too much, 'cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park, and I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same, wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
Just delaying and replaying that look upon your face. Your laugh is contagious, never ages, always seems to make my day. Conversations
I actually really hate trimming snap peas and green beans. I don't know if it's because I had to do them a lot as a kid and now I just hate it. So I want to see if Boy will do that. This thing terrifies me. I put off buying one for probably like 3-4 years and I finally did it because I wanted to make lotus root chips. The boy said to make extra because he really liked these last time. It may come at the cost of one of my fingers.
No.
The things I do for him!
conversations in my
I thought about getting one of those like protective cut gloves on Amazon, but then I was reading the reviews of them. People were like, I tried to cut it and it didn't do anything and it ripped the glove anyways. So I feel like I'm better off without the false sense of security.
too much. 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is
But
love,
that was right.
but maybe
I know, but
this
more
could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering.
I wanted to do this for a while, but I just keep pushing it off. The idea is to make a cream sauce using silken tofu and then flavoring it with tofu, which is a fermented bean curd. It's like kind of funky. It's not for everyone, but I think like in cream sauces generally, like I had an cacio e pepe one, and I've also put in a chicken pot pie. In a cream sauce, it like adds a little bit of funkiness and it just gives the cream sauce a little bit more dimension and flavor. Oh, tastes really good. Hi, Harry. Oh my god, are you gonna fit? I need you to fit. Oh, I need you to fit. Come on, I need you to fit. It's like struggling. Let's go. Okay. Harry, I need you to let go. Harry, is you okay? We love you. He's in a better place. No more struggle for Harry. Oh my god. There's so much crab fat in this guy. labor of love.
Did you season this? Sing it out or later?
Almost done. We're so buttery. I'll write like an icebreaker question instead of every note card. So if there's any like lull in conversation, they can just be like, oh, my question is, what's one place you always take friends who are visiting? Kill, fuck, marry. Bread, rice, noodles. What would be meal? Oh, that's actually quite nice. Report first. I think daylight savings is messing with my head because in my head I am ahead of schedule because it's still bright out, but it's actually 6 o'clock and I am behind schedule. But my brain will not register that I'm actually behind schedule and feel stressed. I just feel chill because I'm like, oh, the sun's out. It's early. It's not. It's not early.
Mercedes, but I ride for you now. Double taking and you say that you don't. Tell me everything you're thinking about. If I'm making a mistake, call it out, call it out. Tell me what you need in my time. On my side, just know you're the seat of my pride. I'll reserve for your friends, get the back shit. You don't need to call that text. Didn't take a sip when the blunt went past me. If you need a ride, do you fly, girl, ask me. I'm here for you. Something on your mind, got an ear for you. When it's sunny and yourself, I hope I hear from you. Sit back in the back of my backseat, driving slow, I'm taking the back streets. Sliding cause you sipped on the beach street. Just call me, text me if you wanna reach me. Changing my plans up for you, baby, just like an audible. Tell me what you desire, get all that I can provide. Hey, if you want my love, then I got that, baby. Some of your time, yeah, I want that, baby. Cause you drive me crazy. Let's start here and see where it takes me. You side. Just know you gotta see to my pride. Tell me what you need in my time. On my side. Just know you gotta see to my pride. Just know you gotta see to my pride.
Bye, guys.